Sorry, could you say that again?
Bye bye.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Goodbye. Bye bye is too Asian.
Need to be like, hey Google, count to 100.
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh my-
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
What?
15, 16,
What is the
17,
largest number you have
18,
tried?
19,
The maximum is
20,
100.
21,
Oh.
22,
So that's the
23,
maximum. You can try any
24,
number
25,
between 1 to
26,
100.
27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
Google, sing the ABC song.
A, B, C, D, F, G.
What else?
Got a lot of other things.
Put here only, is it?
Yeah,
It's
but
like-
not too sweet.
It's limited edition one. You can't find it somewhere else.
Unless you put it.
Does it affect a Mentos?
Because you threw those tubes so it tastes different. It's not a good thing, right?
Hey.
No, it's like the cola is smart cola.
Smart cola.
Those got those assistant, those
So the concept is I saw somebody did the cardboard using to dispense the water. You just add the thing to auto do it using voice activation.
Dispense not just water, I dispense 4 different types of liquid.
Yeah, I saw somebody already done the dispenser, but
Oh.
it's just very manual one. Now they're going to auto.
Oh yeah. This is the
Oh,
automation
this is
of-
like the Coca-Cola vending machine.
Yeah. There's
Yeah.
one
The
Coca-Cola
US,
machine,
yeah.
Somebody
But
did.
this one is voice activated lor. So
Ah,
you can ask for
just
Coca-Cola.
one step of
say,
it,
How
lah.
much Coca? What happened to the Coca-Cola?
Or drag.
Oh, still got some more lah. So you can ask, hey Google, talk to my soda mixer.
All right, getting the test version of Soda Mixer.
Hi, ready for some soda? What would you like to have? You can ask for the menu.
Can I get the menu, please?
We have garlic water, hot bomb, swamp water,
Walao.
pink sunrise, syrup, Coke, Sprite, orange, and strawberry.
So you want to drink what?
Swamp water.
Swamp water is coming right up, made of Coke and orange.
I got turned on.
I see power lights. Right?
You got all the things.
Did
I couldn't hear what you just
Let
said.
me check.
Swamp water is coming right up, made of Coke and orange.
Why you repeat twice?
There we go.
I couldn't hear what you just said.
Goodbye.
Swamp water is coming right up.
Goodbye,
made
goodbye,
of
no
Coke
more.
and orange.
Got bug lah.
God.
Goodbye. So you keep on popping.
Oh, a little bit only.
So yeah, I don't want to. Yeah lah, just for testing ah.
Yeah lah.
You
What
know,
drink is it?
That was what? Swan water was what?
Orange mixed with
So
Coca-Cola.
this,
That's
this is
right.
how he built ma. Then in IO they got the real high quality
The expensive
Oh,
version.
yeah.
This one costs like
500
500
USD.
USD, right? Yeah.
Crazy.
Oh, you can buy one.
You can
you
buy.
can build.
You can build yourself lah.
Those plastic like they use what laser cut.
Yep.
Working it, get it here.
You can buy it online, right?
You can buy it online, then you just need to like ship to from US. You should ship to US and forward from US.
Yeah.
So you get the tax. I bought it from US. You got the tax, custom tax, quite expensive. It's about 20%. Then you have to pay GST some more.
You use DHL or FedEx?
FedEx.
Yeah. So if you want to avoid tax, usually you have to use DHL one
It's
because
stupid,
they know how to.
The FedEx people so stupid. They go and
Yeah.
put the invoice, then they look at the invoice, they bill the price, then they charge the customer.
Yeah.
Yeah, they may be real quick.